Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen wassalatu wassalamu ala Sayyidil Mursaleen amma ba'd fa'a'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Today you are going to learn Madani Qaida lesson number 1. First of all, you will learn some rules before starting lesson number 1 from line 1. As you can see, there are some rules written on the top before line 1. So I'll try my best to explain these rules so that you can read the lesson correctly according to tajweed. So let's start lesson 1. Lesson 1, Huruf-e Mufridat, individual letters. There are 29 Mufridat letters, that is, letters in the Arabic alphabets. As English alphabets are A, B, C, in the same way Arabic alphabets are Alif, Ba, Ta, up to Ya. Today, inshallah, you will learn how to read the Arabic alphabets. And as English alphabets are 26, in the same way Arabic alphabets are 29. Look at the letters in the boxes below. These letters are Mufridat letters. These Mufridat letters are Arabic alphabets. Next rule. Pronounce the Mufridat letters with the Arabic accent according to the rules of Tajweed and Qiraat, avoiding Urdu pronunciations. For example, do not pronounce them at all as be, te, the, he, he, toi, zoi. Instead, pronounce them in the following way: ba, ta, tha, ha, kha. That means you have to read these Mufridat letters in the Arabic accent. Do not read in Urdu accent or in any other accent. Next rule. From these 29 letters, there are 7 letters that are always pronounced with a thicker voice. These letters are called Mustaliya letters. These 7 letters are Kha, Sad, Dad, Ta, Dha, Ghain, Qaf. Their combination is Khussa, Dagtin, Qiz. Dear viewers, can you see the blue letters in the boxes below? All these blue letters are Mustaliya letters. You have to pronounce these 7 Mustaliya letters with thicker voice, and always pronounce them with thicker voice. Next rule. Only 4 letters are pronounced from the lips: ba, fa, mim, waw. Apart from these letters, do not let the lips move whilst pronouncing any other letters. That means when you pronounce these 4 letters, you have to move your lips. But when you pronounce the other letters, do not move your lips. Next rule. While pronouncing these 3 letters, za, sin, sod, a whistle-like high-pitched sound is created. That's why these letters are called letters of Safir. That is, letters producing a whistle-like sound. That means when you pronounce these 3 letters, you have to make a whistle sound, like s, z, this kind of whistle sound. When you pronounce these 3 letters, pronounce them with a whistle-like high-pitched sound. Let's start reading from line 1. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. alif, ba, ta, tha. Dear viewers, when you pronounce this letter, pronounce it without whistle sound. Whistle sound means this sound. If you read sa, it is wrong, it's not correct. You have to read without whistle sound like sa. Let me tell you the easy method. Touch your tongue with upper teeth and read like this. Sa, sa. If you read like this, you can easily pronounce this letter without whistle sound. Next letter. Jim. Ha. Ha is pronounced from the middle part of your throat. Actually, there are three parts of throat: top part, middle part, and bottom part. And ha is pronounced from the middle part, like that. Ha. Next letter. Kho. Kho is pronounced from the top part of your throat, like that. Kho. And you have to pronounce it with thicker voice because it is from Mustaliya letters. Next letter. Dal. Dal. Dear viewers, you have to read dal without whistle sound. Whistle sound means this sound, z. If you pronounce this letter like that, zal, it is wrong. It's not correct because you are reading with whistle sound. You have to read this letter without whistle sound like that, zal. The easy method is the same. Touch your tongue with upper teeth and read like this, zal. Next letter. Ra. Za. This letter za is pronounced with whistle. Whistle means this sound, z. So you have to read this letter with whistle sound like that, za. Next. Sin. Sheen. Sod. You have to read sod with whistle sound like that, but with thicker voice because sod is also from Mustaliya letters. So you have to read with thicker voice like that. Sod. Next letter. Dod. With thicker voice because it is also from Mustaliya letters. Next. To. Thicker voice. Lo. Lo is also pronounced without whistle sound. Like touch your tongue with upper teeth and read lo, but with thicker voice because it is also from Mustaliya letters. Touch your tongue with upper teeth and read with thicker voice like that. Lo, lo. Next letter. Ain. Ain is pronounced from the middle part of your throat, like this. Ain. Next letter. Ghain. Ghain is pronounced from the top part of your throat, the top part. Ghain. And you have to read with thicker voice because it is also from Mustaliya letters. Next. Fa. Qaf. Qaf is also from Mustaliya letters, so you have to read with thicker voice. Next letter. Kaf. You have to read with normal voice because it's not from Mustaliya letters. Lam, Mim, Noon, Wow, Ha. You have to read Ha from the bottom part of your throat. Ha, like that. Hamza, Ya,